What if I told you that not eating could be one of the healthiest things you do for your body? Sounds crazy, right? But here is the truth. For centuries, humans have gone days without food, not by choice, but by nature. And in that time, our bodies developed an incredible survival system that heals itself when we take a break from eating. This is called intermittent fasting. And it's not just another fitness trend. It's backed by real science that shows it can transform your body from the inside out. In this video, we are diving into 10 powerful, science-backed benefits of intermittent fasting, from faster fat burning to improved brain function, and even slowing down aging. So stay with me to the end, because benefit 1 might just be the reason people call fasting the body's natural reset button. 1. Cellular repair and detox. Yes, when you fast, your body activates a process called autophagy, literally meaning self-heating. Don't worry, that's a good thing. Here is what happens. During autophagy, your cells clean out damaged parts, toxins, and waste, recycling them into fresh, new components. It's like your body hitting a deep clean mode, scrubbing out cellular junk that can lead to cancer, Alzheimer's, and early aging. You can think of fasting as giving your body a chance to take out the trash. 2. It boosts brain power. Studies show that fasting triggers the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a protein that helps grow new brain cells and improve memory. But it also reduces oxidative stress and inflammation in your brain, keeping you sharp, focused, and mentally alert. And that's why many people say that they think clearer when they fast. 3. It reduces inflammation. It has been discovered that chronic inflammation is at the root of most modern diseases, from arthritis to heart disease. But intermittent fasting lowers inflammatory markers in your blood and helps balance your immune response. In this case, less inflammation means less pain, better energy, and a stronger defense against illness. 4. It speeds up fat loss. Yes, when you fast, your body switches from burning glucose to burning stored fat for energy. And that's why fasting is one of the most effective natural ways to lose weight without strict diets or calorie counting. Plus, your insulin levels drop, unlocking fat cells and allowing your body to finally use them as fuel. 5. It improves insulin sensitivity. Research has found that high insulin levels lead to fat storage and increase your risk of diabetes. And fasting improves insulin sensitivity, which means your body becomes more efficient at using glucose. And over time, this can lower blood sugar, reduce cravings, and even reverse early-stage insulin resistance. 6. It strengthens heart health. Yes, studies also show that intermittent fasting helps reduce cholesterol, triglycerides, and blood pressure, all key markers for heart health. But it also helps regulate your heartbeat and improves blood vessel function. Yes, your heart literally beats stronger when it's not overloaded by constant digestion. 7. It boosts immunity. Here is something fascinating. Fasting triggers your body to recycle old immune cells and create new, stronger ones. In fact, researchers from the University of Southern California found that fasting for just 24 hours can regenerate immune stem cells. You can think of it as pressing refresh on your body's defense system. 8. It increases energy and focus. Yes, many people assume that fasting drains your energy, but the opposite actually happens. You see, once your body adapts, fasting helps you to maintain steady energy levels all day long by balancing blood sugar and hormones. In this case, no more post-lunch crashes or constant hunger spikes. 9. It slows down aging. Research has also established that intermittent fasting increases human growth hormone levels, the same hormone that keeps your skin youthful, your muscles strong, and your metabolism high. It also reduces DNA damage and oxidative stress, two major causes of premature aging. In short, fasting helps you to age slower and feel younger. 10. It protects against disease. Yes, from diabetes to Alzheimer's, heart disease to cancer, fasting has been shown to lower risk factors for many chronic conditions. And by giving your body time to heal and repair, fasting strengthens every system from your liver to your brain. It's like your body finally gets the chance to do what it was designed to do, to heal itself. As you can see, Intermittent fasting isn't about starvation, it's about restoration. It's not a punishment to your body, it's a gift of time to heal, renew, and thrive. So, even starting small, like skipping breakfast once, or eating within an 8-hour window, can lead to big changes in your health. Now, which fasting method will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear your journey. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Health in 10, and turn on the notification bell for more quick science-backed ways to heal your body naturally. But always remember that your body has the power to heal itself. You just need to give it the right time and the right habits. Stay healthy, stay strong, and I will see you in the next video, right here on Health in 10.